Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. All right, guys, I've been doing some research lately, and I came across this app called Socialgood app. Now they have their cryptocurrency. It's a cryptocurrency app. As you can see, it says shop and earn crypto every day. So it's a cryptocurrency app. You can stake. Um, let me start from here. Earn free SG. SG means social good crypto back on the app and trade it for BTC and USDT on exchange. Say shop over 1,800 stores and earn up to 100% crypto back. Start staking your SG crypto and receive up to 15% APY. Share your SG earnings on social and win $1,000 and all that. All right, guys, now this app is basically for crypto earnings, trades, you trade and all that. And SG, let me show you. SG, which is their native token, is already listed. Look at it. This is it. SG. It is worth $1 as we speak, and it is already on exchange platforms, so you can exchange it on Bitmart. All right, you can exchange SG on Bitmart. All right, let's check their info. A crypto asset point return service for shopping at famous retail stores. Patent approved. All right, now let me download this app so that I will walk you through step by step on how to earn. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because once you download this app, they automatically give you $200 worth of SG coin, which you can actually trade immediately for either BTC or USDT. All right, now I want to walk you through. Get the popular crypto Socialgood SG for free. SG is listed on major exchanges, so you can redeem and trade anytime. Over 300,000 people have used SG since 2018. Okay, let's scroll. These are the things SG do. Up to 15% APY staking earned every 6 hours. The more SG you hold, the higher your staking rewards rate. Do this in the app or a connected MetaMask wallet. Blah blah. So you can scroll through all this. He said up to 100%. Okay, all this. These are the shops whereby you can use SG to buy things. eBay, Best Buy, Walmart, Shopee, Lazada and AliExpress. These are well-known shops, so you should know this is legit. 100% crypto back, up to $10,000 as many times as you want. The more you shop every day at your partner site from this app, the more assets you will accumulate. All right, you can do this by yourself and just scroll by yourself and do this all by yourself. So let me just, I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so right now, once I click my profile, as you can see, it said welcome, 200 welcome bonus. Register now and get 200 worth of SG. Create an account to get up to 100% blah 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 blah. So I'm going to create an account right now. So everything I'm doing here right now is live. Everything I'm doing here right now is live. So I'm going to create my account right now. And if time will permit me, I will try to withdraw the SG coin and exchange it for BTC or USDT. So to check if it is true or not. Because I love making sure that every information I'm passing to all my my students or all my subscribers are confirmed information. They are confirmed information. So I wouldn't want to give you an information which is not true. So I'm waiting for their email. They said you are almost there. Please confirm your account information, address. Okay. Invitation code, if available. I don't know. I click register. I just click register right now. So no information code. So your account has been successfully created. Please enjoy up to 100% crypto back, shopping, and 50% APY staking. In order to withdraw your $200, I'm waiting for this because I know there must be a problem. In order to withdraw your $200 bonus, please make $30 worth of purchase within 30 days from now at any of our partnered e-commerce shops inside this app using legal fiat, just like you always do. Wow. So it is better. So meaning if I use $30 to buy anything from either eBay or whatsoever, this bonus, I'll be able to withdraw this bonus and go and exchange it in any exchange platform. So meaning I'll be making, let's just say for instance, $170. This is still good, guys. This is still good, guys. All right. Henry Smith, rank bronze. Yes, shopping region Nigeria. Okay, login password. Would you like to change your login password? Of course, because I don't know this. I don't know any login password. So a verification code has been sent to. All right, let me see. Okay, this is it. Let me copy this. Copy. Okay, I don't think I can paste it, so I'll just 562906 562906. So please, guys, follow this video so that you won't have issues. Okay, I would have to use a password that I can actually change. Let me just use Spirit FX 1999. Okay, Spirit FX 1999. Okay, update successful. All right, now let's see, refer and earn. Let's read this. Get $200 worth of SG for every qualified referral. Share the code below via SNS or email now. Get $200 worth of SG for each new sign up to the Socialgood app. New users will get 200 worth of SG. Like Bitcoin, the value of SG rises as the number of SG holders increase. All right, guys, so your personal invitation code is, okay, this is my personal invitation code. Let me share to Telegram. Let me share to this part. Okay. All right, so guys, as you watch this video, make sure you click the link. This is my referral link to register. All right, make sure you click this my referral link to register. So once you register, just spend $30 worth of anything, buy anything, so that you can redeem that $200. Then you can now exchange that SG. Many of you that may have been following me, you understand how to exchange cryptocurrency for cryptocurrency. So since Bitmart is one of the cryptocurrency exchange platform they also use, you can go on Bitmart, create a wallet on Bitmart, send your SG to Bitmart, swap the SG to either Bitcoin or USDT, then now send it to any wallet you make use of, if it's Binance or any other wallet you make use of. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. So now you can make money. You can make at least $170 from this, guys. So this is a new update. So guys, take advantage of this before it is too late. Thank you very much, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.